my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very simple way how to make potatoes, and this is going to be very easy to make and very delicious to eat. Alright, let's get started. In my pan I'm going to first heat some oil. Okay, so I'm waiting for my pan to get hot a little bit. And to my pan now I'm going to add oil. Not too much of oil, just about 1.5 teaspoon of oil. To this I'm going to add, first let me just go ahead and lower my flame, and I'm adding some gingergarlic paste. Once the gingergarlic paste has fried a little bit, I'm going to add my potatoes. I've taken about 4 medium-sized potatoes and I've cut them into thin slices. Now to these potatoes I'm going to add some green chilies. Now these are very light and non-spicy green chilies, which I'm going to slit them into thin pieces, like so. I'm going to cut them diagonally. Next I'm going to prepare a sauce that I will be putting on the potatoes. 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup, I'm going to add my chicken seasoning, that's about 1.5 teaspoons. Next I'm going to add is a little bit of dark soy, just about 1/2 teaspoon. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this up nicely. Okay, so I nicely mixed it up, and then now I'm going to add this to the potatoes. Isn't it so simple? And lastly, just about 1/2 cup of water. I'm going to add that to the same bowl where I made the sauce, so that all the leftovers of the sauce comes out along with the water that I add to the potatoes. Okay, now I'm going to cover this and let it cook in slow flame for about 15 minutes or till the potatoes soften, and then it's ready to eat. See you in the next 10-15 minutes. Once the potatoes are ready, I'll get back to you. So let's see how my potatoes are doing. nice thick sauce over it. And they look nicely done, cooked well as well. Alright. Now turned off the flame of my potatoes. The last thing that I'm going to add is first the whites of my green onions and some of the greens. I'm just going to garnish it with this and serve. That's it. So simple and easy to make. I'm sure you will like this. If you like my recipe, please make sure that you first subscribe to my channel, okay? And then click on the like button if you like the recipe and share it with your friends and family. Also make sure that you not forget to press the bell icon so that you're first to be notified about the next recipe that will be posted on my channel. I thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day and enjoy the potatoes with your family and your friends. Bye-bye. Finally, I've garnished also it with sesame seeds, roasted sesame seeds.